Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hey everyone! Today, we're drawing and coloring 6 beautiful butterflies, each with its own unique design and colors. Let's get started.
Okay.
First, draw a rectangle and divide it into 6 boxes. Begin by drawing the body of the butterfly and then sketch the wings on each side. Make sure the wings are symmetrical. Draw patterns on the wings, like veins and small oval shapes, near the edges.
Okay. Bye.
Oh yeah.
Now, it's time for our second butterfly. Draw the outline, start with the body, then draw wider and curved wings. Add patterns, sketch veins, and add small oval patterns on the lower wings.
Wow.
Let's create a stylish butterfly next. Draw the outline, sketch a sleek body, and a pair of beautifully rounded wings. Add details, design the wings with jewel-like shapes and veins for a decorative look.
Whoa! Awesome.
Our fourth butterfly is going to be draw. Draw the outline, sketch a smaller body with wavy, symmetrical wings. blend the colors to make them pop. What a beautiful and colorful way to end our project.
Awesome.
Now it's time to add highlights to these boxes and all the butterflies' shapes. All done, we've drawn and colored 6 beautiful butterflies. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed drawing and coloring these beautiful butterflies. Don't forget to subscribe with me on YouTube using Fun Tiny Hands Art. And as always, hit that like button if you had fun, subscribe for more art tutorials, and leave a comment below with what you'd like me to draw next. See you in the next video. Bye.